In this video you will learn how to connect a Wi-Fi network using routers supporting WPS. First log in using your SolarEdge monitoring platform credentials. Then tap Sign In. Scan the inverter barcode. Move the on/off P switch to P and release within 5 seconds. SetApp creates a Wi-Fi access point connection to the inverter. Tap Continue. In order to connect to a selected Wi-Fi network, go to the commissioning screen and tap Communication. Tap Server and then select Wi-Fi. Tap Wi-Fi. Tap Confirm. Tap Connect with WPS. In the router, locate the WPS push button. Push and hold for a few seconds, as recommended in the router's manual. When successful Wi-Fi connection message appears, tap OK. To complete the Wi-Fi configuration process, verify the Wi-Fi connection status. Go back to the commissioning screen, and tap Status. Scroll to Communication and check the Wi-Fi connection status. At the end of the commissioning, tap Disconnect from inverter. Congratulations! The Wi-Fi WPS connection is now complete.